So Mike, what do you think?
Excellent work.
Yeah. Do you think
Unrecognizable.
today we're going to present Mike. He's 33 years old and had a hair transplant 4 months ago, and you can see what he looked like prior to the transplant. You can see that he had Norwood 4 pattern with balding in the interior one half of the scalp. And you can see in the pictures what he looked like before he was shaved and after he was shaved in preparation for the FUE follicular unit excision 2500 grafts. What we're doing today is to present you and chin up a bit, chin up a bit. And I want you to look at the hairline. This is just at 4 months, but you can see he has had extremely good hair regrowth at 4 months. You can see that the hairline is very natural. Close up for the hairline. Can you turn your head to your, yeah, right? Chin up please for me. You can see the hairline. And turn the other way please. Can you bring your chin up so she can just go to the hairline? Please. And chin down please. You can see there's an imperceptible growth that merges in very nicely with the existing hair. And if you turn around please. This is the donor area. As you can see with the donor area, very good uniform hair regrowth, and one can never tell that he had a hair transplant performed. Look at the camera again here. So Mike, what do you think?
Excellent work.
Yeah. Do you think
Unrecognizable.
do you think it had an effect on how we approach life? Did friends comment? Family? What?
Lots of compliments, for sure. Feel different. Yeah.
What would be advice to somebody looking to do a hair transplant?
Diet and exercise. Post-op is very important. And stress. I think stress for 1 month is it's good to avoid it during the post-op. That's it.
What do you think of your hairline?
Natural.
Very good. And in terms of you're not using minoxidil and you're not using the proprietary, right?
No.
That's a personal choice, and we respect that. And I'm very, very impressed with your density. At 4 months, it's really good, and I'm impressed with the fact that the hairline is natural and the fact that it merges in quite well with the existing hair. In terms of confidence at work, confidence with friends?
100% confident.
You're a man of few words, but good words.